I'm Tom Brown, 21 years old. I'm from Chinchilla, 2 hours past Toowoomba. I started the Diploma of Emergency Healthcare with APC back in, I think it'd be almost 2023 now, and that's led me into Cert III of Pathology. Currently studying the Bachelor's of Paramedicine at CQU up at Rocky. I currently work for SDS up at Cairns as emergency response technician. There I'm responsible for confined space and vertical rescues, a bit of hazmat and medical response. That job came about after completing the Diploma of Emergency Health with APC. I went through their partners at Fire Safety Australia to get the Cert III in Emergency Response and Rescue. The reason why I signed up to APC was fill the gap of knowledge to get into uni. And the positive things that have stood out for me for the whole thing is your teachers are really there for you at the workshops, which a couple of weeks long for the diploma and 5 days of this and a solid workshop for pathology. You really get to build that relationship. So that would be a major factor of applying here, coming to learn. You get that foundation, a good support network, and that's why I'm here. I got into that industry because I got a call when I registered interest with SDS, and they offered me a job up there and I took it, and got APC to thank for that, starting off that journey and piquing that interest. The most thing that stood out in pathology is probably for me that the SOPs for your hygiene and how to interact with patients, bringing them in, taking their information, getting to know what tests, picking what tubes you need for said tests and how to do said tests. Would I recommend this course? All the way, yes. It's a way to go, it's a way to start. Cert III is at the level where you can learn and pick up without feeling like you're in the deep end.